So this will be my fourth video on YouTube. Uh, so today I'm going to share what I learned about life. So there is there is three concept that I want to talk about self improvement and life. There is one psychology, there is one philosophy, and there is third one is sociology. So first is psychology. In psychology, how your brain works, how your body responds, and how human work. Like basically, it all depends on human and their body, their behavior, and all. And it is needed to your self improvement to be aware of it all. So now I am on my way to studying this all. And second was the philosophy. Philosophy is who you are, what your role in this world, and why are you here. This is the thing that you will know in philosophy. So, and there is two parts. I mean, there is a different perspective of philosophy. One is spiritual philosophy, and second is Western philosophy. The Greek philosophers, their theory is based on consciousness theories based on theories, scientific reasons, and around all. There is Indian philosophy based on consciousness, self, and there is based on inner consciousness, where you learn yourself and you are the observer. Like you study like that, and these are the things which I am gonna study, and you should for know your. And in Indian philosopher there is Vedanta, then let me Nisham something, and Bhagavad Gita. These are the three main sources, and Brahma Sutra as well. These are the four sources for Indian philosophy, study to Indian philosophy, to give you the meaning of your life and give you the structure your life. Why are you here, and what is your purpose, and why life is like this. So yeah, and these things will help you to improve in your self improvement. So I'm gonna study this as well. So I'm recommending you guys to study as well this. And no, I saw a lot of reel and lot of things on Insta or YouTube, but I don't think there is someone who is talking about this all shit, because they are doing all this, but no one is going to recommend it, because they know if they will, their career will be gone. I'm not saying gone, but yeah, these are the things you need to go very deep to find the meaning of you. So let's see. I'm gonna post this as well. I know I'm hesitating now while speaking, but I'm gonna post after a long time, and I learned this thing in between 2 days. Yesterday I was researching about all, and today I just research and make a note about it. So let's see how it goes. But yeah, I'm gonna be a, what you can say, whoa. I'm gonna be a good person and happy guy. What I want in my life, I'll achieve, and want to express my thought in word and improve my English as well, and improving overall.
Sorry.
So yeah, and I'm 19, and I know by the end of by the end by the 2021, I'll be good enough at English, at everything, to be start a journey of myself, documenting myself. But right now I think I'm not ready. But I'm gonna post everything I want. I'm gonna record. I'm gonna not gonna share anyone, but I'm gonna record, and what I want is I'm gonna share on YouTube, because nobody knows you on YouTube. Insta is like a, it's kinda socialized, but YouTube is good for growth and slow and steady steps. So I'm gonna post this on YouTube, and I want to be a free and enjoy my life, and don't want to be shy and serious guy I used to was. So yeah, this is for me, who is gonna change my patterns, my behavior, thinking, and my thinking pattern as well. So let's see how it works. Firstly, I'm gonna work on psychology, then philosophy, and then sociology. After that, there are a lot of things I'm gonna improve. There is fitness as well. I'm gonna run by the 2000 end of the 2026. I'll be complete by the end of the month. This month I'm completing my 10k run. And yeah, I was working on myself as well, looks as well, to improve my skin. You can see there's a lot of changes in myself, and building a good physique as well. And I'm going to grind in fashion as well. I know it is so much, but let's see. Fashion is the thing I love when I wear something. So why should I? Let me clear my point. Fashion is the one thing that I love. Whenever I wear something, I look cool. I want to be cool. It should be fit. It should be look on my body. It will look good in my on my body when I am fit. So being fit, and not physically, mentally as well, and inner health like stamina, endurance. This matter also. So fitness, mentally, physically, and inner health as well. And third, my profession. By the way, I am revealing my professional, that I am doing culinary arts, basically hotel management. I am doing hotel management and I love cooking. I'm too passionate about cooking. You can ask me anything, I'll have something answer about cooking. So don't judge me on this all. Cooking is my main goal. And fourth, self-improvement. These are the four pillars of me. So I'm gonna building my life on these four pillars. That's all. the video is done and I recorded successfully more than 10 minutes, so I think it is enough for me. And this is not recording for you to know this is better, this is more good for me. E- like it is good for you, but it will help me more than you. So be happy, enjoy your day, and have a nice day. And don't ever try to compare yourself to others, because you know where you start but you don't know where they start. So your start is personal, so don't compare yourself, don't insult your start, and don't insult yourself. Bye bye.